Hi students, this is Dr. Kroik with a short demo to help you post to our class blog. So this is our Blackboard page. This is the main page for one of the sections. The other one looks a little different but has the same information. So to get to the blogs, you just go to the left-hand side here where we have the main page, we have discussion boards. So you want to click on the blog, and you'll see only one thing here, which is the class blog. So click on the class blog and then click create blog entry. So that's really all you have to do to start your blog post. And you want to enter a title here, maybe put your name in the title, definitely put the subject in the title. So our next blog will be about Plato's Republic, so I will put Plato's Republic, and I will say Dr. Kroik. And you can type a message here, or actually you type your blog post here. And but what I actually like to do is to prepare it in a Word document and cut and paste so that I have it saved on my computer. You can use Google Docs, you can use anything that creates a backup of your post. So this is actually an older introductory post that I have, and I just cut and paste it, and then I will say post entry. And once you post, you can see your entry here, and you'll see your classmates' entry here. So according to our guidelines, which are on our syllabus, at the end of the syllabus, you have to post at least 200 to 250 words in your initial post, and then by the end of the week, so by the Sunday of the week where the blog post is due, you will comment on 2 of your peers' posts. So in this one, if I wanted to comment on my own, but you will comment probably on someone else's, you just hit comment and you type your comment here. So the comment should be something substantial. So here I'm just introducing myself. So if this were just an introductory post, you would say something, maybe ask them a question, but usually it will be a post about the reading. So you would want to say something substantial, maybe disagree with them, agree with them, and it should be at least 100 words of text. So not just awesome posts, but actually saying something. So, and then you hit add comment, and check your comment, both comment and your post for spelling, for just really maybe to think about it for a couple of minutes. Is it really what I want to say? Am I saying anything that might offend anyone or might be misunderstood, right? So as you probably know, if you send a text message or if you post something on Facebook, there's a good chance that it could be misunderstood. So the same thing goes here. Think about what you have said, make sure it doesn't offend anyone, make sure that it actually says something substantial, and then you hit add comment and your comment will appear. So that's pretty much the basics of blog posts, and hopefully this video will help you. You can return to it whenever you're not sure about something in the blogs, but you can also contact me. You can also contact tech support.